Today we'll be checking out some amazing views over London from the garden at 120, which sits on top of the Fenchurch building at 120 Fenchurch Street. As you approach the building, you will come across the LED ceiling installation by Cisco Production. It showcases live footage from the rooftop, as well as pre-made artistic videos. The rooftop is free to visit and no bookings are required, but as it operates on a first-come, first-served basis, there usually is a little queue. The beautiful rooftop space was designed by the German landscape architects Latz Partner and won a couple of awards for it. On the north side of the terrace, you will find some skyscrapers, such as the Gherkin. Going over to the western side, you can admire the iconic Lloyd's building and the walkie-talkie, which is home to the Sky Garden, another famous roof garden. In the background, you can spot buildings such as St. Paul's Cathedral and 1 Blackfriars. On the east side, you will get a glimpse of Canary Wharf, which will be more visible by night. On the south, we have great views of the Shard, over to Tower Bridge and the Tower of London. I recommend going for sunset, This way you can experience the view transitioning from day to night. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.